All right, today we're going to put together a Lasko fan and try to keep ourselves cool. The question is, how do we get the box open? Oh, there we go. So we're just going to pop her open. It shouldn't be too hard. All right, so here is the motor. And we've got, you can see the cord on it. So let's go ahead and just get it out of there. All right, so here we are. Here's our motor. Doesn't look too complicated. This is the spot where you're going to put your pole. And yeah, okay, let's set that down. Here's the fan blade, right? Put that there. And this is the body that it goes into. So let's set that there. Here's our pole. And here are our connectors. All right, set that right there. Okay, and of course you've got instructions. Who needs those? That is the base. So we'll set that down there. Right now we just got to put all this stuff together. These are all the parts. You got a fan blade. You got an attachment that's going to go here. This locks in this onto the body. You got this extending pole that you can tighten it and you can raise it or lower it. You got the motor with the cord. You got the base, and then you have the front of the fan that goes over the back of it. So it's a pretty simple procedure. First things we're going to do is we're going to pick this up. See, that's got a big hole in it, and that's got a big hole in it. We're going to stick that in that hole right there. Cha-ching! Then we're going to leave it. I'm just going to leave it right where it's at. I mean, if I wanted to, I could loosen this, and this slides up and down. But let's just leave it here. We'll tighten it down for a second. That way it doesn't move. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pick up our motor right here, and we're going to slide it right on there. So what I've got to do is I got to put it right on there like that. And I'm going to push it down. Now it's locked in. Okay? So you're going to notice this has this little bar that goes across, and that's going to come in handy in a minute. So the first thing we do is we're going to get our back. And if you see at the top of the back, you got this little area right here. That's going to fit right in there. You see this here? That slides right on there. So when you go to put that on there, you just got to kind of like get it right there and then smush it down like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go behind it here like this. I'm going to get my body weight against that. And I'm just going to push it on. So now this is on there. Okay, you see that? And it's, you notice it's got little, something has to get screwed on here, right? So to hold that on. So you can see it's good. We got it on the back here. It looks pretty good. I'll just show you one more time. Let me go ahead and pull it off. All right, so there's the hole. It's got to go all the way around this. Okay, so what I do is I just kind of set it on there like that. And you notice how that kind of goes into that groove. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push it right on. So there it is. It's on. How's that? Now we've got to get this little collar. And this collar is what attaches that to this. So I'm just going to slip it over. And I'm going to go righty-tighty on it. I'm just going to turn it to the right. Like that. When I'm facing it, I'm turning it to the right. If I was behind it, I would be turning it to the left. And that's going to lock that on there now. So that'll stay on there. You see that? Next, we got to put our fan blade. But if you look at the fan blade, you're going to see in the back here, it's got this little notch on it. And that notch fits right over that. So when you slide it on, you've got to kind of match that up. You follow me? So I'm going to try to get it so that it gets right on there. Let's see if I can do that. There we go. So now we're on that little, you see how we're in that little area there? Let me see if you guys can see it. So right there, it went into that little notch, and that's what's going to spin this, because this little armature is going to spin, and that turns that fan blade. So now we got the fan blade on, okay? Next, we've got to put this little attachment on there, and so that's going to go right on here. And I'm going to go to the, again, to this, I'm spinning, when I'm facing it, I'm spinning it counterclockwise, believe it or not. So that's kind of weird, but let's go ahead and get her locked down. Yeah. Okay, I think we're good. Could get a little bit tighter, but that should work. All right, so far we got the base, we got everything on there. We got to make sure our fan's spinning good. Now the last thing we got to do is put this on. All right. So if you notice on this back piece, you've got these little catches all the way around here. All right. And so those catch onto the lip of this little area right here. You see that? Let me show you. Right here, there's a little like lip. So I'm going to go all the way around and push that on there. All right, so what I'm going to do is I want to try to get the Lasko. I want this kind of like facing forward. So I'm going to try to get that as even as possible. And I'm going to feed it into this one right here. And then I just got to go all the way around and snap it in. Just like that. Pretty simple, really. Oh, it didn't get it on the bottom. There we go. All right, we're in. Check it out. Let me show you. So here it is. You can see we snapped her all the way around. See how it catches right there? That goes all the way around. You just got to make sure you get it in there. Let's see. Did we get that one? Yep. Okay, looking good. Now we just got to plug it in and check it out. So let's go ahead and let's undo this. Now there's another one. All right. You can save these too. These are good to tie your wires up with. Right now we've got, let's see how many feet of cord we got. We got lots of cord. You can see I'm coming all the way out here. I gotta pull that off. I'm gonna leave it on for right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug her in. Bam, done. All right, there it goes. It's running. Now let's put it on 0. So if you put it on 0, nothing happens. All right. So you can go through them. 3 is like the strongest, I think. So let's turn it on 3. Okay. Let's go to 2. You can see it's a little bit, the sound's a little bit lower. Let's go to 1. And again, lower again. 3. Loud. Yeah, that's a good fan. It's working great. All right, let's put it to 0. Now this here, I think you can stop it. Let's see, I think how do you do it? You push it that way. Let me see if it works like that, how it works. I think if you pull up on it, it stops it from rotating. Okay, so when you push it down, then it rotates back and forth. Let's see how far it goes. Went to here. So these may rotate about 180 degrees. You follow me? It almost does. It gets here and then here. Yeah, it doesn't get, not quite that, a little bit less. If you want to stop it, you just pull up and bam, it just stays in one position. You want it to circulate on a rotation, you press that. All right, and that is your Lasko. We're out on the veranda, and this is where we're using our fan. And as you can see, nice, cool air coming off this. So this is going to help us keep cool in the summertime here, because it does get up to 99 degrees, maybe even 100. All right, we're going to work out and do some yoga now.